Next one is ASML. A breakout, trying to break out, retested, an inside day. 960 break is 992. Once we break above 960 this week on ASML, because they trade very light, that's the reason why every time I play ASML contracts, I play them as a lotto, because I don't even take 50 contracts. I just do like 5 or 10 contracts, because filling them is pretty hard. The spreads are wide, and people end up chasing them, so I definitely mention that as a lotto. And getting rid of those contracts is also very hard. So I don't when I say it's a lotto, there are reasons why I say that it's a lotto. Maybe it's very risky. Maybe we are there's a very high risk reward, where there's very high risk, but the reward is also pretty good. So that's why I'm probably telling you that probably we are coming close to a resistance, but then you want to jump in before there's a breakout. That's probably why I'm saying that as a lotto. There are multiple reasons why I say that's a lotto, right? So understand that. Don't try to go all in on to your positions. I was kind of backed by a person who did that on Friday. Luckily, yes, it worked out. Apple worked out. He did get out at 60 cents from about he went in with me at 22 cents, then averaged down at 17 cents, then at 15 cents, and then by the time he realized it, he was almost all into his position. And then and continuously kept pinging me, hey, what do you think about Apple? What do you think about Apple? I'm like, hey, you got so many hours left, and we did make a new high. I think it'll go higher. I think it'll go higher. Blah blah blah. And ultimately, he was happy. But then I hate doing that hand holding. I just didn't want that account to be completely completely rugged. So I was trying to be a little bit more nice, but it really never helps you in the long term when you want someone to handhold you. And don't go all in into your positions. When I say lotto, try to play it as a lotto. But anyway, that's mostly what I think about ASML. 960 break, I'll probably play some 980 calls this week.